الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا حبيب الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has stated, Ittaqullaha fi hadhihil bahaimil mu'jamati, means fear Allah Azza wa Jal regarding these dumb animals. Dear children, the Islamic scholars have stated cruelty to an animal is greater than cruelty to a human, because a human can share his sorrows with someone, whereas an animal cannot even plead for help. Alas, some children enjoy abusing animals. Sometimes they pull a cat's tail, and sometimes they throw stones at a sparrow, making it fly away. Dear children, these birds cannot complain to our parents or teachers about our ill treatment. So we are not afraid of it. However, Allah Azza wa Jal, the creator of all animals and humans, watches and knows everything. So do not cause trouble to any bird or animal. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us tawfiq to act upon what we have listened today. Ameen bijahin nabiyyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.